Bolstering financial inclusivity, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP champions the expansion of Islamic banking services catering to a diverse clientele. Meanwhile, the Department of Finance or DOF intensifies its focus on digitalization strategies aiming to revolutionize tax collection methods. This and more stories in tonight's Business News Wrap by Sujin Kim.
The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is promoting financial inclusion through Islamic banking. Right now, only 8% of the population in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao are banked, meaning 92% of the population have no bank accounts or access to credit. BSP Governor Eli Remolona Jr. explains Islamic banking is for all Filipinos, whether Muslim or non-Muslim. The introduction of Islamic banking is meant to bring more people in the formal banking system.
What we want to do is create an inclusive banking system, sustainable and vibrant Islamic finance ecosystem within the country to complement the banking system we already have.
Meanwhile, regarding the recent dollar currency exchange rate closing at 57 pesos, BSP Governor Eli is not expecting the uptick to affect inflation and monetary policy. The official attributes the increase to the unceasing conflicts in the Middle East. Moreover, he adds, rate cuts may not completely be off the table for the fourth quarter. The official hopes for a rate cut by then, but if conditions aren't conducive, he ascertains rate cuts could take place in the first quarter of the following year. Finance Secretary Ralph Recto succeeded in securing support for the digitization of government agencies, particularly the Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT. The Department of Finance is focusing on digitalization to improve tax collection efficiency now more than ever when a fourth of Filipino consumers have moved to e-commerce. The World Bank expressed strong support in assisting the DOF on this front. The country's electronic and semiconductor export is recovering this year after the double-digit growth in export revenues in February. Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Fred Pascual remains hopeful the growth momentum can be sustained in the coming month. He said the agency is working closely with private and public partners to make Philippine export products more competitive in the global market. Sujin Kim from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.